Now, to the ugly. There are plenty of people who I mention are those that are cheering for the lockdown. These are the people with a guaranteed job on the other side. But there are also dinosaurs who are fighting culture wars from decades and decades ago who we still pay full freight for. Perfect example, Philip Adams, works at Radio National. I know, you don't listen to his show, most of Australia doesn't either. Upon hearing that Boris Johnson had it, he says, "Dear Boris, now that you've found number 10, the address of the White House is 1600 Pennsylvania Avenue." Arsehole. The showbiz set, and at least the extreme ends of the showbiz set, well, this is how they are deciding to self-quarantine. Billionaire David Geffen has sparked fury with his tone-deaf Instagram reports. Why? Because he's self-isolating in the Caribbean. What's he doing it on? A $500 million yacht. Seriously. He posted and tried to brag that this is how he was self-isolating? And as for the culture warriors who still try to say this is a Republican problem, a Donald Trump problem, what about this idiot in the United States who says it's all Ronald Reagan's fault? Roll the tape.
For 40 years, we've also had an ideology, Ali, that has demonized poor people. When we go back to Ronald Reagan's presidency, we know that poverty increased by 2.2 million Americans during his first year. We know he attacked welfare. We know he attacked food stamps. We know very clearly the rhetoric around poor people, that poor people are poor because they aren't doing what they're supposed to do. And we've seen over the course of these decades a systematic further marginalization of the most vulnerable.
Dickhead times 2.